Everything's now encased in ice, and the tree is struggling to reinflate itself. Santa has a, look at this, Santa Claus faces. Look at that. Okay, let's try to get your blower. There's your blower. If we can get the blower up, then we can get the rest of you up. Poor thing. Oh, goodness. Look at this. It's like pieces of glass. Oh my goodness, it's heavy. Ugh. Oh my goodness. Look at that, that's just crazy. Look at that. Isn't that wild? My poor little guys. Oh, his presents were all flopped over. Look at my tree. I had to go rescue my tree. I look very awkward at the moment. There we go. Oh, it's because the cords are frozen. Look at that. Big chunk of ice. There we go. This is wild. Look at this. Ice is crazy. I've never seen anything like this. This is so weird. My hand's frozen. Oh, look at my one guy. He's like, oh. There we go. Oh, look at his tail. His tail is still covered in. Isn't that weird? It's like everything. It's like, what's his name? Han Solo frozen. A little bit of ice on your unicorn horn. Okay, we're mostly, his sleigh is really kind of weird. I need to go figure this out. It's got ice holding the whole front of it down. There we go. There we go. Ice everywhere. This is so weird. Look, even the ice is holding his reins down. God. Frozen.